That boy Kevin with the clean ISF. Yo, way too long, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, man.
Damn, son.
8 days of coilover install. This was crazy.
Why? What the?
Dude, I had to cut 3 out of the 4 end links. If you see the rust that was on the bolts on the control arms and everything, absolutely insane. Had to bathe them in evapor rust, sand down the inside of the bushing so that, you know, they don't seize up again. It was crazy, man.
Holy shit. Damn, bro, but no, dude, it looks really good. Holy crap.
Oh, and the JDM goodness in the front. It is a good flex, and it does have rigidity.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Ooh, damn, that boy got the tongue. Damn.
It's dirty as shit. Don't pay attention to that.
Hey, who cares? Mine's worse. Damn, yo, you're dripping.
Yes, sir.
You're dripping.
Just gotta get that one going now.
Bro. Oh my gosh, Kevin. But anyway, we won't get the press today. Let's go. Do you know if the meat's even good right now?
No idea, bro.
I haven't seen anyone posting anything, bro.
Honestly, man, I was just like, you know what? I've worked so hard on this thing for a while, and I gotta test it out anyway. Yeah. And I haven't seen you in a minute. Like, let's just go, you know?
Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. We are right now riding out with 6 Streets, and we are heading out to a Street Racing Made Safe meet. I think it's called Turbo Tuesday. So we're gonna ride out there now. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's not too packed so we can still park. And let's have fun. Let's get with it. See you guys there.
Another one.
Damn, son, the cops are out tonight, bro. There's 2, and literally, like, as soon as we got on the auto ramp, that's already 2 cops on the dish.
Another one.
Damn, bro, now an unmarked, bro. Oye, tonight va a ser pa' chilling, brother. Okay, yeah, that's already, dude, I kid you not, we've been on the highway for maybe, bro, max a minute, and that's already a state cop, a trooper, and an unmarked. Brethren, we cruising tonight. Kevin did a pull as we got on the highway. I'll see if the SF360 got it. And he's been texting me like, fuck. And then the other cop passed by, he's like, fuck me, bro. He's so sweating, look. Bro, Kevin is sweating, dude, sweating. Leave it to Miami, bro, to be in traffic at 8 o'clock, or technically 9 o'clock at night. But this is just construction, bro. That's gonna be annoying, dude. It's Godzilla! It's in that corner over there. Yeah, it's on that house. Yeah. Single cam. Single cam. Yeah, real bottom end. Grab it. No. Everywhere. Dude, it's been a while since I've seen that many cops out. Like a long time.
What's done to this? Oh, PP headers, the WRX Valvetronic, HKS coilovers recently installed, Tom strut bar in the front. I have the rear one, I just haven't done it yet. And tuned by Royal Tune. So it moves nice. R Racing intake.
I've yet to race one.
Oh really? What do you have?
I have a E92.
Oh, that's
damn,
that's
son.
a very correct race. I've been looking for that.
It's headers, everything.
Oh shit.
The only thing it's not done to is pulleys and tune.
Oh, this has pulleys as well.
Oh, there's pulleys as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
It's moving nice.
that's fine.
Bro, this thing is nuts. Bro, you know this shit clean when they got its own light setup and everything, bro.
Bro, 888Rs all around, he's moving.
No, you know this thing rips.
He's moving.
Damn, bro, the wide boys are leaving. This is nice.
Yes, sir. Sorry, we're missing an important part of this.
Damn, look at that EG though. Civic Hatch looking clean. Oh, this is cool in here. That is sick. That is honestly really sick.
Talk about Japanese strip.
Yeah, bro, this shit goes hard, bro. This is super sick. I dig it. The full vibe is just. Not even gonna pretend I don't know a lot about Porsches, but for those of you who know, let me know what you think on this. I am definitely no brain when it comes to Porsches. But let me tell you, it's nice. Got an R33 out here peeking. A little dark out here, sorry guys. I have a stage light and it ain't charged, so right now we're working with the phone light, but gotta love R33s. Got a beautiful blue Stagea out here. God, bro, these stages are so sick. To be honest, don't see enough of them. Do not see enough stages out here at all. Fun fact, back in the day, I almost actually had an R32. It was a big GTST, but I wasn't have an R32. It was between the R32 or the Altezza, and I chose the Altezza, so. Fun fact for those who didn't know. I freaking love chasers, bro. Oof, and that 1J though, dude, I love chasers. I think these things are so sick and so slept on. I feel like they're getting popularity now, but dude, you do not see enough chasers. If more people can pull up with their chasers, I'd definitely be happy. And then we got this beautiful color on this Beamer. Bro, this color is freaking sick. That is a really nice color. Whoever owns this, bro, very, very nice. Oh, S15s are insane. This shit's clean. Look at the interior. Check out that boy Alex. Bro, this shit's clean. This shit is super clean. I got another soft spots for S15s. I feel like honestly they get a decent amount of love, but not enough, bro. They do not get enough love. Damn, that boy got the dual dumpers right there. Damn, this wing's sick. I didn't notice this at first. This wing is super nice. Damn, and this M3. Sheesh. No cap. Nah, bro, this M3 is really nice. I'm not a huge fan of these M3s, but let me tell you, this one's clean. This is a very nice, very nice specimen. But look at this E92. I believe this is E92. Bro, this shit's sitting clean, man. On the TEs with the puddle lights. Nah, this is nice. This is real nice. Sick. Very nice color. Bro, this looks like the entrance scene of Need for Speed. I forget if it's 2015 when you first get the game and you start off with a 65 Mustang. It's sick. Nah, bro, don't worry about it. That's wild.
I built it and I have it done, but I haven't put it back in the front. But I built it internals.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Honestly, we got here a little bit too late. There was a little bit more than I would have liked, but there were still some pretty nice cars out here. So we're gonna head back home now, and then we're gonna call that a night, and we'll see you guys next week. That sounded so good. I don't think I've heard it since you did the intake and everything.
Oh yeah, you haven't.
Bro,
You only saw it when
nasty.
it was with the exhaust.
Bro, that sounded so fire, bro.
Bro, and the tune is gross.
Bro, damn, son. done.